To add age verification to Squarespace, start by opening a web browser and navigating to squarespace.com. Log into your account and access the dashboard, where you can select the website you want to add age verification to. Next, go to a widget website, create an account, and search for age verification, a popular widget option. Choose the template that suits your needs. Customize it as required, and publish it. You can use the widget for free, and then copy the code. Return to your Squarespace website. Click Edit and add a new block. Select the Code or Embed option, and paste the copied code into the designated area. Alternatively, you can use the Embed feature to add the code to your website. Once you've completed these steps, the age verification feature will be active on your Squarespace site.